Now, do you want to combine your love of camping with your love of buying the wrong Porsche? No, because I have good news, OK? Because you can now buy, well, it's a new type of Boxster, OK, with a tent on the top of it. Here it is. Look at that roof.
What it is, it's called the Poxster Spider, and it's kind of a we are nuisance. So it only weighs 12 kilos, top speed of miles an hour, 0 to 68 seconds. And it's that fast because it's got a very clever gearbox. It's called a...
Is it German?
Oh, it's a German name, and it's really
God.
complicated. So let me just spell this out. It's a
Can we get it on the speaker? Do you know what that means? You speak German.
I do.
Well, no, what's the only German you can say? What's that mean?
Battery hands is wet, he's standing under a waterfall.
Okay.
I use it all the time.
It's kind of a one-shot deal, isn't it?
Anyway, if you want the wrong car, which has
No door handles, and no air conditioning, and no radio, and has a tent on the top of it.
there you are, the Boxster double lung.
It's not got all those things to keep it light, because it's still 44 grand, that thing.
£4, you don't even get door handles.